Hello and welcome to this video. If you're a developer or someone just starting their journey in programming, this video is for you. Today, we'll be talking about the best programming languages you should consider learning in 2025. Let's dive right in. Main content Python remains one of the most in-demand programming languages. It's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for advanced applications. Python is widely used in web development, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. JavaScript continues to dominate the world of web development. With frameworks like React and Node.js, you can build everything from dynamic websites to complex applications. It's a must-learn language for both front-end and back-end developers. Rust is gaining popularity for its performance and memory safety. It's especially useful for high-performance applications and embedded systems. If you value speed and security, Rust is an excellent choice. Golang. Go is perfect for microservices and cloud computing. It's simple, fast, and highly favored by companies like Google and Docker. Go is a great language for building scalable, modern applications. Kotlin is the official language for Android app development. Its clean and modern syntax makes it a favorite among mobile developers. If you're interested in mobile development, Kotlin is a language you should definitely explore. Conclusion: these are some of the top programming languages to consider in 2025. Remember, the right language for you depends on your interests and career goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.